Sennheiser has released the first pair of certified headphones for the Magic Leap mixed reality headphones. Ambeo AR One looks like any other pair of in-ear headphones, but the company says it has the features developers need to create spatial computing experiences that can expertly blend the real world with virtual sounds. It is the first device that comes out of the Magic Leap association with the audio giant, announced for the first time in September. At the time, the startup said the association would help expand its space audio accessories solutions. AR One is equipped with the Ambeo transparent hearing function, which allows the user to hear what is happening around them, even if they have their headphones on. Developers can choose the amount of external sound that their experiences can allow to ensure that they remain immersive and that users are safe in public spaces. In addition, Magic Leap also launched a sandbox application called Ambeo Augmented Audio Lab for the AR One and One Creator Edition headphones. The application offers users a way to record real-world sounds and use them as loops for experiences. In addition, they can place those sound loops anywhere in the virtual world so that they seem to come from a certain direction. While the application will be available for free in the Magic Leap App Store, the hearing aids will be priced at $250 when they retire this November in the US/EU.